So when a coach sets a goal for the players to achieve, it must be specific to what they are working on in the session. A coach can set different types of goals for players. For example, the coach can set a primary goal, which is when the player focuses on their set goal and works hard to get it. Another goal the coach can set is competition goals, which is what a player works towards achieving at the end of a competition or a match. The most common goals are short-term goals, long-term, future development goals. These are pretty self-explanatory, and a coach can set any of these for the players to work in a set time. However, all of these goals must be realistic and related to the goal set. Yeah, no. So when a coach is setting a goal to plan for the players, it must be specific to what they're working on in the session. A coach can set different type of goals for the players. For example, the coach may set a primary goal, which is when the player focuses to set a goal and works very hard to achieve it. Another goal the coach can set is competition goals, which is what a player works for to achieve at the end of a game or a competition. The most common goals are long-term, short-term, and future development goals. These are pretty self-explanatory goals, and a coach can set them to the players to work on in a certain amount of time that the coach determines. However, all of these goals must be realistic and time related to the main goal set.